budding is there, fragmentation is there. So today we are discussing what? Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction means there is no involvement of gamete. There is no fusion of gamete. So here asexual reproduction takes place in a single organism. Here you see this type of reproduction is asexual reproduction. Reproduction involving in a single parent without involving gametes is called as asexual reproduction. Reproduction involving in a single parent without involving gametes is called asexual reproduction. There is no union of gametes, that is called asexual reproduction. And asexual reproduction generally occurs in case of paramecium, amoeba, and here you see yeast cells and Spirogyra. So three headings are there. First one you see fission, second one you see budding, third one you see fragmentation. So in case of fission, that is paramecium. So paramecium and amoeba, both of them belong to the phylum Protozoa. They are having single cell and they live in water, and they undergo asexual reproduction by means of what? Simple fission. So here body is divided into two bits. It undergoes what? Splitting, and this splitting may take place transfer or binary. Sometimes multiple fusion also takes place. For example, this is what? Amoeba. Amoeba has no shape, and here you see a division takes place at the center of the body. Transfer division, and finally two bits are separated. But taking what? Equal share of what? Material from the body, and both of them they lead independent life, and that is called asexual reproduction. And that is called asexual reproduction. It is called as fission. And fission will occur in case of amoeba and paramecium. And second one you see budding. So these are what? Yeast cells. So yeast cells they belong to the phylum fungi. And for example, this is yeast. And first yeast cells are producing what? A bud. A bud is producing. And later it is receiving what? Genetic material from the parental organism. And after getting this bit get pinches separate from the parent and lead into independent life. So many birds are formed, many birds are formed around the parental organism. And finally these birds they get equal share of what? Material from the parent, and finally they get separate and they lead independent life, and that is called budding. And budding generally we observe in case of what? Yeast cells. And third one you see fragmentation. Fragmentation means here some of the others they can give rise new offspring by a single piece of the parental organism. Suppose this is what? Spirogyra. If it split, if it gets damaged, if it is this damaged part and this split part can lead independent life. So from a single piece of the parental organism, when it is separate, it develops into a new organism. And this is called what? Fragmentation. And fragmentation generally occurs in case of flatworms, molds, lichen, Spirogyra, etc. And sometimes in this organism they also perform what? Sexual reproduction. And today we discuss what? Asexual mode of reproduction in living organism. First we discuss what is asexual reproduction. Reproduction involving a single parent without involving gametes is called asexual reproduction. We discussed three types. First one is fission, paramecium, amoeba. Second one is budding, what? Yeast cell. And third one is what? Fragmentation. Fragmentation means here many organisms have the ability to give us new organism from the body pieces, body parts. And these body parts they get separate and they lead to normal life. Example: flatworm, molds, lichens, Spirogyra. Sometimes they also perform sexual reproduction. Thank you, children.